In this demo, we're going to look at the conservation of angular momentum. So this wheel, we're going to get it to spin, and then it'll have some angular momentum. So let's do that first. So now this wheel is spinning, it has angular momentum. So if I step on the stool, now I can rotate with it. So you notice that as I move this, I rotate, right? So depending on where I point, I can get myself to spin quite fast or slow or go the other way, right? So why is this happening? Because it's trying to maintain the same angular momentum that it started with. So whatever it had at the initial state before I started moving it, that's what it tries to maintain. So if I do something to alter that, then the entire system needs to still have that original angular momentum. So then I will start turning in an opposite sense just so that it maintains that same angular momentum. So this is one way to navigate, if you will, if you can use this on spacecraft to navigate, by having some angular momentum, and you alter that in a way that gets you to turn, in this case in one axis. So this demo is showing you how angular momentum is conserved.